Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade coleslaw sauce. To begin, you'll need to gather your essential ingredients. Make sure you have fresh mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, and a good quality Dijon mustard. Don't forget granulated sugar, celery seeds, and a little salt and pepper. Having everything ready and at room temperature will make the mixing process much smoother and ensure a perfectly blended sauce. Now, let's start by creating the creamy base for our sauce. In a medium-sized bowl, combine 1 cup of your fresh mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Next, add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. This provides a lovely tangy kick that is essential for classic coleslaw. Whisk these 3 ingredients together very thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. With our creamy base ready, it's time to balance the flavors. Gently incorporate 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar into the mixture, stirring until it fully dissolves. Then, add 1/2 teaspoon of celery seeds. These are crucial for that distinctive coleslaw taste. Finally, season your sauce with 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance all the wonderful flavors. Almost done? Once your sauce is perfectly mixed, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap or a lid. Now, place it in the refrigerator and allow it to chill for at least 30 minutes. This crucial resting period allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, resulting in a much more delicious and cohesive coleslaw sauce. Then, it's ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.